Emily's having a sleepover tonight, and they want to sleep in the bunk fort. Problem is, bunk fort is still being built, and we don't have a railing on there. So let's fix that.
If it spills, it will get it all wet, and then we would have to get a Wait, hang on. We just picked them up. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll count this dragon this guy. I'll know how much it is. Hey, no, you're over a blanket. Don't spill. Hey. Stop.
Oh, that's a bummer.
What?
I got a screw poking through right there.
Cover it up
We will.
before we hit it.
Yep, we will.
Get her down. You made a hole. You made a hole. You made a big hole.
I did. I'm gonna leave that connected.
Hole in the wood, and it was poking out.
Yeah.
Yep, we can take that down.
Okay.
Off for there.
Trouble. Out.
Looking good now. You got a 2.5 inch screw versus a 2 inch screw. It's not gonna go through. Yay. Just want to say, this screw is too long to go through here and pop out through the other side. See, I don't know if you can see that. Should be able to. And this is the shortest screw we bought recently, so it's always nice to have one of these screw not further specified little junk drawer things. Hopefully we can find a screw that will be strong enough to fit through there. That's a weird thread for it, but hopefully we can find something so the girls can sleep up there tonight. That's the goal. I don't know, I still think this is too long. Alright, let's see if these do the trick. Set them down. It still looks too long to me. Yeah, it still pokes out a little bit. I wonder if I've got like a shim that I could use. Let's see. Well, don't have a pencil, so I'm gonna make do with what I have. I'm gonna try and scratch a line at 5 inches. Let's see if we can do that all the way across this time instead of not all the way across. It should be enough to help me kind of get a sense of where this needs to go. Go down here, something like that. It's close enough. Again, this is temporary. Yeah, let's see if we can just start a little hole going through there without splitting this wood. That's always important. Start like that. You know, not ideal, but make it work. Oh boy. Clean the area. Oh, I might have to bring up a vacuum cleaner. Get it all taken care of. But I did find these shims. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shim it out so I can get this in there without it poking through. Actually, this one on this big guy. Alright, so we'll start with this out of there since we need a little bit of space. So we can fit those shims in. Keep that screw from going through. If I can work them in there, not lose them all, that'd be great. There we go, we got some concealment. Drive this thing in tight. Alright, we can do that. Now we can go over to the other side. We're good there. Whew, it's hot up here. Hopefully I don't think I gouged the right thing there. Okay. That ought to work for me though. I'm not going to level this thing out. I'm just going to make sure it looks square. The right place. That's about the right place there. Oh, fail. Super fail. I didn't bring my Phillips head. Crash pad. Oh yeah. Ew. Hey there, Steve here. If you like what you're watching, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Now let's get back to it. That time it came out easy. This little magnetic bit holder gives me a little bit of trouble from time to time. Let's get these shims in there. Ooh, looks like it's gonna be tight. There we go. Do that. Let's get them in there. They're all hanging down a little too low. Oops, ran that one a little far. Doesn't really matter. It's on the outside, but we'll just do that. No incoming rubble. Hey Amanda, should we test this thing out?
I don't know.
How can we do it? Should I roll?
Why did you put the
Ugh.
Let's not break it. Why didn't you put the board all the way to the wall?
Doesn't need to be. Your head's not gonna roll off by itself. No! I just dropped all the screws.